Hello, the dark times continue. As a result, I'm spraying a little bit of Moschino Funny to cheer myself up. Yep, it worked, sort of. I wanted to do a quick little video about just random shit that is happening around me that I want to bring to your attention. Also random shit that I'm doing that I want to bring to your attention. So this will be a no muss, no fuss sort of video about these links situated in my description. It'll be semi-entertaining because, I mean, like, you know, look at me. It's hard not to be entertaining when you're me, but first and foremost, I just wanted to talk about 3 links that have nothing to do with me. I just want to talk about them because it's important right now. So first and foremost, I am just now learning about the Debt Collective. The Debt Collective is a debtors union for folks with student debt, medical debt, other kinds of debt, and I'm just now, you know, kind of getting into them, learning about them. They have a YouTube channel. They are on TikTok, and I'm just going to put the link for the debtcollective.org in my description because I just think it's cool for more people to know about that. I'm just now sort of getting into checking it out, so I'm going to be learning right alongside you. So that's cool. That's good. It gives me just like a glimmer of hope to know that something like that exists. The second thing is that I signed up for the general strike. There is a general strike happening that will be, you know, going into effect when 11 million people have signed up, and I signed up. I just figured, what the hell, it's really just an organization of people trying to just put a screeching halt to what the hell is happening, and that sounds great. If all I have to do is put my name on an organization's website, then what do I give a shit? So that's what I did, and I'm gonna put the link in the description too. So consider checking it out, do your own research, vetting, whatever, blah blah blah. Also, I have a friend in Gaza named Reem, and Reem is starting over. Her GoFundMe got shut down for reasons I don't really know, and I don't think she does either. I've just recently been in communication with her on TikTok, and I just thought I would share her new donation campaign, which is on the organization Chuffed. You know, all I can really ask of myself and other people is keeping abreast of the situation, donating when I have a spare $5, which is of course like rarer and rarer these days. So I'm putting Reem's link in the description as well. Feel free to check it out, share it, do what you want to do. So whatever, times are dark. Here are 3 links that could lighten things up, I guess. Now back to me on my end, shit I'm doing, links that I'm providing in the description. My side hustles are side hustling. I have an eBay. That is my main source of income right now. I'm selling all sorts of crazy shit on there. You know, if you're anything like me, and I have a feeling a lot of people who like to listen to me say stuff on here are, you'll probably like a lot of the shit I'm selling on eBay. So I would appreciate just a clickaroonie, browse, you know, whatever. If you're feeling frisky and want some obscure vinyl, then just have a ball on my eBay. It's in the description as well. My more fun, less lucrative side hustle is that I am an amateur playlist curator with rare taste. Here are my credentials. 98% Obscurify rating. I listen to some obscure shit. Not to brag. But anyway, so you give me a vibe. If you give me a single adjective, a verb, a genre, a mood, an occasion, give me as general or as specific a set of criteria as you need for a playlist of your heart's desire. It'll be about 40 songs in length. And it will be all new shit that you've never heard before, because I will do a dry run. I will show you what I have so far. You will say, I know that, and that song, and I will replace them on the house. The fee is a flat $20 over my Venmo. I do have a coffee commissions link, but like, who uses coffee? I don't know really if it's something people do. So Venmo is in the description. Please, like, actually do reach out to me on Instagram before pulling the trigger on any playlist commission decision you want to make. My Instagram is in the description as well. It's So Maudlin, same thing as on here. I really do want to have like a discourse with you about what you're looking for in a playlist. I would really like to have a discourse with you about what you're looking for, about what specific things you like, what you don't like. I want it to be an ongoing conversation, and I want to make you the playlist of your dreams. I really think a good playlist can change the vibe, change the day, make a bad day better. And that's kind of what we're all looking for right now. At least I am. I mean, you know, so sacrifice Andrew Jackson. I mean, so I'm just saying, the thing standing in between you and the playlist of your dreams is Andrew Jackson, his ugly mug. So just Venmo me Andrew Jackson, and a 40-song playlist will be yours, and it will be magical, and I will have put my heart and soul into it, because that's what I do. You know, the side hustle I went to actual literal school for is that I'm a makeup artist. Yeah, I'm doing great work, as you can see. I am in the DC metropolitan area, the DMV, and if you have seen what I can do on myself, I also have just like a rudimentary portfolio on my Instagram. And if you're like, woohoo, that looks great, then, you know, take a chance. At the very least, I'm looking for models to build my portfolio for something more current. Bridal event, editorial, if you're like looking for editorial makeup in the District of Columbia. Yeah, right. Okay. Anyway, things are hard. Things are rough. I am feeling hopeful, ultimately. This would, for normal people, be classified information, but I am getting my monthly ketamine infusion done tomorrow. Feeling very hopeful that that will turn things around. And I actually will, when I'm feeling better, do a video about this ketamine therapy that has really helped my bipolar disorder. I have... Oh my god, my thoughts are so disjointed today. I'm sorry. I have a ton of free Spotify playlists on my Spotify, linked in the description, and one of them is the playlist I listen to when I am getting ketamine. It is a blast. It's my favorite playlist that I listen to all the time, even when I'm not high as a kite on horse juice. So if you're on the fence about getting a playlist from me, just listen to the ones I have on there for free. So like, comment, subscribe, share. If you would get a playlist from me, what would you want? Just like spitball in the comments. I'm curious to hear from you. And yeah, keep the faith. Keep the rubber side down. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Okay, bye.